My name is Lori Romero, and my surgery was that I needed to have a hysterectomy. In one of our wellness back to school conferences, we had a small presentation of the Satori services, but I didn't become interested in it until this past year when Lee Davis gave a testimonial. I'm doing really well. I'm great. I've had no problems whatsoever. I was able to get up the next day and be able to continue walking, so it's pretty much like if nothing happened. They would take care of all our medical bills and everything would be done through them, so that's why I chose that. Yes, I have, because I've never traveled far from California, and going to another country, not knowing what the hospital would be, was concerning, yes. Very extremely happy. It wasn't complicated at all because Satori Services took care of everything. All I had to do was fill out some forms, and I had asked a few questions, and that was it. It's already nerve-wracking to leave the U.S. and doing it on your own would have been worse. So having the companion made me more secure. If anything should happen, that person could, vouch for me or, make those decisions that needed to be made at that time. Yes. Everything was taken care of by Satori. I had my own private room. I didn't have to share it with anybody, and my companion also stayed with me in this room while after the post-op, and everything was well. And they were excellent. I had two liaisons, Tamara and Raphael, and they kind of like handheld me through the whole situation. Dr. Castro, who performed the surgery, he was absolutely professional. I absolutely love him. He talked to me before I left to Puerto Rico, once again closer to the date, during the stay in Puerto Rico, and then he even called me again after I arrived in the States. Yes, I was aware, and he is the top doctor in Puerto Rico that performs that type of surgery. Well, Kevin was constantly talking to me on the phone, making sure that my accommodations were okay, making sure that I was okay, and even left messages to make sure that he knew that I called. Definitely will. And I have. Yes, I would. Satori Services were extremely professional, extremely helpful with everything, from accommodations to actual procedure. Everything was taken care of by them, and I would definitely recommend this to everybody.